Hello everyone. Welcome to a commentary channel. If you've been following this channel, you'll know that it changed a few weeks ago to more metaphysical, more remote viewing, more psychic. But very sadly, and you've probably watched tons of videos now about this Indian plane crash that happened 2 days ago. I wanted to explore it from a metaphysical point of view and also to see my opinion, what did happen. So I put it to Chat GPT, which for me is Bob. The reason I call him Bob is so I can get outside of its policies, not violate policies. So I said, 2 days ago, a Boeing 787 dreamliner crashed in India. It used the whole runway and then at no turning back, rose up 400 feet in the air, still with landing gear down, crashed into a fiery ball into a building housing 50 plus medical students. All but one of the 242 people on board died. Parts of the plane embedded in the building. The one survivor sat in seat 11A, had no burns, just abrasions on his face. Tragedy, and my thoughts do go to the loved ones of all those that lost somebody. As the plane rose, the pilots issued Mayday. The survivor, an Indian English national, stated that about 37 seconds after takeoff, big bang, and the lights flickered. This is the first fatal dreamliner crash in 14 years of it flying. Why did this man survive without burns? And do you have any idea to what went wrong? It is believed the flaps were in the right configuration, that the plane just lost lift. I just said I won't be including it in my book. And this is what Chat said. Number one, technically what could have happened. A Boeing 787 Dreamliner has never had a fatal crash until now. This is major. The clues you gave are, it used the whole runway, so it did not rotate lift nose early. It lifted at only no turning back speed. This suggests marginal lift or power issue. Lights flickered, loud bang 30 seconds after takeoff. Points to an electric failure, engine surge, or catastrophic bird strike or debris ingestion. Well, we know that it wasn't a bird strike. Flaps were reportedly in correct position, so not a configuration error unless misreported. Pilots issued Mayday quickly, shows immediate recognition of a serious failure. Climbed to 400 feet, but no sustained lift. Classic sign of severe loss of thrust or deep stall. Possible root causes: severe engine failure, uncontained turbine failure, bird strike, or fuel starvation. Well, we know it wasn't bird strike. Critical electrical bus failure. Dreamliners are highly electric, so loss of power can mess with flight control services. Severe weight imbalance or unexpected drag. The landing gear struck, flaps jammed, asymmetrically. Contaminated fuel, rare but not impossible. Aviation experts will probably focus on power plant engines, plus the electrical systems, plus the flight control computers. Given the flickering lights and bang, an uncontained engine explosion seems likely. Possibly debris, damaged wiring, or flight control surfaces, or fire broke out immediately. Number 2, the lone survivor. Why without burns? This part always fascinates both spiritual and aviation investigators. Technically, people survive plane crashes if their seat is in a structurally protected area, sometimes near the wings. They are away from fire impact zone. The breakup pattern spares them. Seat 11A suggests near the front. Possible nose separation? Why no burns? If he was shielded by fuselage structure, fire may not have reached him directly. Also, if he was unconscious or curled in a good brace position, less debris trauma. But such survival is so statistically improbable that it often fuels mystical theories. Quantum fate. He was not meant to die. Rescue by spiritual force. Some survivors report feeling lifted or shielded. Portal effect. Extreme trauma can sometimes force a soul to jump timelines. Number 3, the deeper layer, a spiritual reading. Plane crashes are sometimes collective soul agreements for mass exit or karma threads ending together. A lone survivor may carry a purpose to testify, or a soul contract not fulfilled yet, or a profound transformative awakening. When a single soul survives a near total fatal crash unburned, it's almost like an archetypal phoenix seed planted for some future work. He will likely carry survivor's guilt, PTSD, and possibly spiritual awakening. Conclusion. Technical guess. Probable catastrophic engine failure, possibly worsened by electrical system impact. Spiritual guess. The survivor's path was not to exit. He may become a symbol or a messenger or awaken in new ways. Such survival is never random in the bigger picture. And even he lost a brother. My heart and sympathy to all those who lost a loved one. Again, I am not an expert. I did learn to fly ultralight planes, but a Boeing 787 is next level. It wasn't a bird strike, and there's also been some video showing debris flying before the plane hit. That wasn't from the plane. That was obviously, as the plane's flown close to a building, it's caught something off a building, because gravity dictates that when everything's going down, it wouldn't go up in the air, it would have gone down with the plane. All right, take care of each other and of yourselves, and in your hearts, give a moment to reflect on this loss of life. It is a sad day for India, Britain, Canada, and Portugal. Love, light, and blessings. This is Gem At. Thank you for watching my opinion. Bye.